Arulankanena amafuna mvetsitsi beanafuso a Gorge Chaponda ku meeting ya Arulankhane wena li sorry baje banagamba za DV. It's not only DV sa DV okay. Kuna so UTM kumwe kunditu ndi kunaleka gulu nditu kumene amapereka ma concerns yawo ndi a Chaponda anayankhanso nkhanija yokhuza ndi report la ndege kumali kunali zinthu report lokungenda mufuna mupereke office yakuti mufuna mupange edit bwanji. Anyway, tend to anele muna the cameras tango banga subscribe, like, share and to say that's our best.
And that mystery is causing confusion among people, and we feel that it is the government's duty to sort out this issue, because the death of a vice president is a big issue. The death of 8 other people, Malawians, is an issue. It is an issue which cannot just be washed aside. It is an issue which everybody wants to know the truth. Number 2, we are saying the issue of the fuel increase is not appropriate at the time when the people are suffering. Malawians, they are suffering with the increase of commodities, the no forex in the country, the data loan. We know the data loan which has been accrued by this government is 18 trillion kwacha. Because of all these things, we think this is coming at the wrong time. Not only at the wrong time, should not have happened. Should not have happened if they had taken into account what my colleagues have already mentioned about the fuel from the DRC, which is again surrounded in mystery. It appears that somebody benefited from that. And also other things which are happening, the travels up and down and so on, which would have provided austerity measures. If this were addressed, maybe it would not have been necessary to go into the fuel increase.
Mulindi nkhawa kunkhani ya nkhani za report okhudza ngozi imene inachitika imene inatenga moyo wa vice president akale komanso anthu ena. Nkhawa yanu ili pati komanso kunkhani ya fuel?
Nkhawa yache ndiyoti ngati president wa dziko lino apita kunja kwa dziko, ali kunja kwa dziko uko kunena kuti oya report ija ndalandira, koma sopano ndayilandira ile akuwafunsa koma ndifuna iyende kaye maofisi ena tisana ichitise public. Chovuta nchoti mufuna kuti iyende maofisi ena chifukwa cha mukaichite edit. 2, ena awonso anthu ena cabinet minister, akulu minister of information akuti yayi a president sinali tu ya report yo panali nditi kuti pali contradiction imene chifukwa chane amalawi afuna kuziwa zeni president watu anamwalira vice president ndi anthu 8 mabanja awo afuna kuziwa cheni chilipo boma likhale open timbere.
Kumbali ya
fuel tikunena kuti kweza kwa mafuta imene zachita affect amount ife sitigwirizana nazo ndipo zikadachitika ife tizachita go on the street.
Mwina Madam Kanyasho ona mwina tango tifotokozerani kuti ngati aphungu a UTM ndilophutsidwa bwanji mwina ndi the mystery that is surrounding the issue of the report, the vice president's accident report. Just tell us, as members of parliament from UTM, how concerned are you and what is it that you would want to happen?
As UTM members of parliament, we are very concerned about the vice president's death, because the misinformation started from the beginning to say the plane had crashed in Chikangwawa in a thick forest. But I was there where the plane fell. It's in plain sight. Some of you who've been to Ntungwa, you can see that there's a village there. There's a primary school there. There's a Airtel tower. There's 2 towers. The other one must be maybe TNM. In plain sight. But government kept Malawians in suspense for 2 days. Malawians were made to believe that they were searching for a plane and they could not find it, which us as UTM members, we don't believe it.
And on the report, what do you want to happen?
On the report now, it's the same thing. The president was confronted by a reporter to say, you've received the report, when are you going to release it? That's when he was forced to say, oh yes, I received the report, this and that. Then in parliament, his ministers are saying something different, just adding on to the mystery and confusion and giving room for speculation. So as UTM, we are very unhappy about this whole thing.
Conclusion.
Yeah.
We need a commission of inquiry. An independent commission of inquiry. We need a public commission, public inquiry, where the president himself will be asked to answer certain things which the people are confused. The accident occurred at 10 o'clock. It was until midnight when he had to call for a conference and so on. There's so much mystery. The people who were found there were found chopped here and there. We don't know what happened.
Thank you.
Patuluka malipota awiri poyambira panali ripoti la panali ripoti lina lokudza ku MDF limene linatuluka kale mina muli ndi chipiso kuti mina mumve ripoti
ya sisi kanayamba ya MDF
Gentlemen, basi ndio chemba.
Yes.